Welcome to Theia3D User Interface, part of the Theia3D tutorial series. In this video, we will describe the layout of the Theia3D application user interface and where its many functions are located. The main portion of the application window is the 2D view area, where 2D camera views are displayed once loaded. With data loaded, the top frame of the application window will display the path for the loaded data and calibration file. If you have analyzed the loaded data or loaded and analyzed the Theia3D workspace, the 3D scene is projected onto each view. If all views cannot fit in the available area due to the number of cameras, arrows are shown and can be used to move through the available views. Double-click on a view to maximize it. When maximized, the mouse scroll wheel can be used to zoom in and out, and right-click dragging can be used to pan. Clicking on the arrows on either side of the view moves between camera views. Double-click on the maximized view to restore it and show all views. With 3D view enabled under the display drop-down menu, the 3D viewer is located to the right of the 2D view area. If enabled but not visible, it can be dragged open from the right edge of the application window. The size of the 3D viewer can be changed by dragging the border between the 2D and 3D view panes. The 3D viewer will be empty unless video data has been loaded, a calibration opened, and the trial has been processed. The view can be rotated by left-click dragging, panned by right-click dragging, and zoomed in and out using the mouse scroll wheel. The 3D scene contains the global coordinate system, calibrated cameras, and skeletons of each identified and tracked person. The origin of the global coordinate system is a white sphere, the x-axis is a red arrow, the y-axis is a green arrow, and the z-axis is a blue arrow. The scene environment, ground, and lighting can be modified using the menu accessed using the button at the top left of the view. Above the 2D and 3D view areas are several drop-down menus, including File, Analyze, Display, Results, Calibration, Tools, Settings, and Help. Each of these drop-downs contains several functions or tools, which are described in detail in our other videos. For more information, you can view the relevant video for each drop-down menu. To the left of the 2D view area is a stack of quick tools in the sidebar, which can be used to load, analyze, save, open the Preferences pane, and adjust the display parameters. The main steps in processing data can all be executed using these shortcuts. From top to bottom, these tools allow you to clear the workspace, load video data, load a calibration file, run the analysis, save a Theia3D workspace, save pose files, save video overlays, and access the Theia3D settings. The 4 display shortcut buttons allow you to easily toggle the display options on and off, including the person identification boxes, 3D segments, full skeleton model, and local segment coordinate systems. Below the 2D and 3D view areas is the playback timeline controller. The video data can be played and paused using the play button on the left, or you can scroll through the trial using the timeline slider. The number to the right of the timeline indicates the current frame number, and the playback dropdown allows you to adjust the steps between frames that are displayed. When set to 1, every frame is displayed, when set to 2, every other frame is displayed, and so on. Below the playback timeline controller is a status bar which indicates the current status and any ongoing processes. Thank you for watching this Theia3D tutorial on the Theia3D user interface. If you have any questions that have not been answered, please feel free to reach out to support@theiamarkerless.com.